Hello everyone and welcome to the very first episode of Binary Trees with Python. In this episode we are going to see how to define binary trees with Python, and let us get started. So we are going to continue using the same notebook throughout the entire series of episodes. So there are around 25 episodes on binary trees and binary search trees with Python. So this is an entire series. In case you want to see the code of all the demonstrations that I'm using in this series, you can check the description section down below where I have already pasted the link to the GitHub repository where I have uploaded the code for this entire series. So for code, you can check the description. There you will find the link to the repository. Okay, so let us start writing the code. In case you are not comfortable with the concept of binary tree, you can always check the earlier episodes in this series where I am explaining how a binary tree is organized. So now this is a class node, and let us define the init function, which is the constructor. So self is the reference to itself and key is the value it accepts. So this is how it is going to create a node. Left equals to none. Basically we are writing a code for empty node equals to none. Finally, self.val equals to key. That's it. So this is how we can define a node in a binary tree. Now let us go ahead and use this. It is very easy to use it. Root equals to node 1. Root dot left equals to node 2, and root dot right equals to node 3. Root dot left equals to node 4. So if I execute this, it is going to show us the tree structure. Okay, so it is going to create a tree structure, and we can actually traverse this tree structure. For that we have to use one of the algorithms that is either pre-order, post-order, or in order. So let us go ahead and see how to write routines for various types of traversals of any tree. So this was a simple example of the node, and then we created a tree structure using this class, using the objects of this class. So let us go ahead and write the routines for traversal of this tree. And I already have got everything done and tested code. So I'm going to write that code and I'm going to explain it side by side. So we are already aware of the concept of recursion. I have already uploaded a lot of episodes on the concept of recursion. Recursion is a very useful concept, and we are going to use that recursion concept for binary tree traversal. So the very first algorithm is in order. Okay, in order. So these routines are not the part of this class. These are not the class methods. These are separate routines that are going to accept an object. Basically it is going to be the root node, and then we are going to run the in order on it. So if root in order root dot left, so it is going to be only a few lines of code. Print root dot val, and finally we are going to say, and here I should say end, okay, so that it is going to print an empty space after it prints the value. So this is right, and that's it. So this is the algorithm for in order traversal. So we are traversing the left branch, then we are printing the value of that particular node, and then we are traversing the right branch, and we are going to do everything recursively. So let me execute this, and yes, there is no error in this. Now let me copy the same stuff as it is, and I will say pre-order, okay? And here also I will say pre-order. So paste here, and let me copy and paste it here. Similarly, I can write the routine for post order. So we are using recursion and post order. Recursion actually makes our code very, very simple. The only problem is that it actually takes a lot of computational resources to implement recursion at the system level. So that is why we even have the iterative algorithms for all these things. Okay, so now we already have a tree defined here, and now we are going to run in order on that. Okay, in order of root. So let us keep our fingers crossed and execute it. And yes, this is the in order of the root. Similarly, we can even have pre-order and post-order. Pre-order and let us go ahead with the post-order. So this is the post-order stuff. This is in order, pre-order and post-order traversal of the tree. So basically every tree is a graph, we know that. So a tree can be defined as a graph without any sort of cycle. So we know that there is depth first search algorithm for graphs. So basically these traversals in order, pre-order and post-order, they are the various types of depth first search sort of thing. Okay. And level order is nothing but BFS, that is breadth first search. So in the upcoming episodes, we are going to see more things about binary trees and binary search trees with Python. So in case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I humbly request you to go ahead and subscribe to it for more exciting videos on various technical topics. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I will see you next time.